So in this video, I am going to show you how to buy World Liberty Financial, ticker symbol WLFI in Canada, using Wealthsimple Trade. So once Wealthsimple is opened up under accounts, go into your crypto accounts. Then once you're here, press on trade. At the top in the search bar, type in ticker symbol WLFI. At the top here, World Liberty Financial, press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom left and press buy. On the buy screen, type in the amount of Liberty of WLFI that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do, I don't know, $7 worth, I would type in 7. It'll then show you how much of the crypto you'd be purchasing. And if you want to go to the next step, press on review. Once you're here, you can go to the bottom and review your order, so you can check out the order type, the account, the quantity, the fees, and the total. And if all looks good, go to the bottom, press submit order to proceed that way with the transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can buy World Liberty Financial in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.